Hey guys, this is Slava. I've made this professional sound designing tool and I want to guide you through the Synthesizer UI and tell you about its great and unique features. I'll be using Windows Platform and Reaper DAW for the walkthrough. First of all, the structure. It's 8 blocks and you can scroll horizontally, vertically, or pan with your trackball. Each block has the same set of knobs, displays, buttons, and other stuff I'll show you. The sound generator subblock is OSC 128. Here are the main sound generator knobs, sound generator display, and some settings buttons. Let's jump to the next subblock, VCF 128. It's basically a filter. Here you can choose what kind of filter you need, what type of filter, and envelope shape cutoff. This knob set is pretty common for filters. The next subblock is LFO 1 to 8. Here you can see 4 tabs, and each tab has its individual oscillator or envelope. LFO knobs are pretty straightforward. Plus, as you can see, there is a hint system that shows you almost every knob's description so that you know what you're turning. The next subblock is MIDI rerouting 1 to 8. In here, you can choose which particular note you want to cancel so that if you press the canceled note, it'll jump to the next available key in the layout. You can also tune individual notes with these small knobs. The last subblock is ARP or Sequencer 1 to 8. This is a basic 16-step sequencer where you can edit each note step's length, tune, and velocity. You can also join notes so that they hold 2 or more steps. Each sequencer may be link transferred with its initial subblock settings to another sequencer like this. Okay, so you understand this structure. Let's get some more knowledge about LFO modulation. LFO tabs link buttons can be linked only to their corresponding blocks. To link LFO to a knob, just drag the L button to a desired knob. You can easily adjust linking intensity by adjusting these micro knobs that usually appear in the top right corner of a knob. To make LFO 1-1 work on OSC 2 knobs, you need to link it to one of the 8 macro knobs first. Let's dive deep into the sound generation process. As you can see, there are a lot more features than we've covered so far. You can create your own waveform here. As well as load your own sample by dragging and dropping a supported file. Like this. It'll open a sample slicer, and you can slice the sample you've just uploaded on the go. Or you can record your own sample right in the synth, like this. Okay, and here it is. Okay, let's move on to routing features. Oktopus has special blend modes, phase modulation, frequency modulation, and amplitude modulation. To make them work, you should first activate the second sound generator and route your chosen OSC to the target sound generator. Here they are, two sounds. And then we're sending OSC1 to OSC2 and activate one of the modulator. How it works. The OSC you sent from becomes the modulator and the target OSC becomes the carrier. Check the basics of synthesis on YouTube if you want to know more. You can have them all working simultaneously, as well as route without limitation. With a special preview system, you can easily check every blend mode pretty fast, like this. It also works with a waveform selector and samples. How about having a built-in vocoder? Here it is, with fine-tuning knobs that can make the vocoder sound beautiful. The next thing, you can turn on a per-note FX layer. For now, there is a bitcrusher and distortion, with multiple distortion types. Okay, you've created your sound. Now let's add some final effects. Here's the effects overlay. There are 10 basic effects. The layout you can see is the guitar pedals like. You can send individual blocks to the pedals, as well as adjust their send gain and route pedals either in parallel by stacking them or in series. Because each OSC block is individual, you can create something like this. Or this. Or even this. And you can even control your macro with the macro. Okay, now you're a pro at Oktopus. Learn it in standalone mode for free forever, and check my website for more information. Cheers!